if you're experiencing low performance on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to enhance its performance. Follow this guide to optimize your console for better gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System Software, and choose System Software Update in Settings. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the option to clear the cache from the Safe Mode menu. Step 3. Manage storage. Freeing up storage space can enhance performance. Go to Settings, select Storage, and review your games and applications. Delete any that you no longer play or consider moving them to an external hard drive. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Adjusting in-game settings can help improve performance. Access the Game Settings menu and lower graphics settings, resolution, or frame rate options if available to achieve smoother gameplay. Step 5. Ensure proper ventilation. Overheating can lead to performance issues. Make sure PS5 is placed in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight and other heat sources. Regularly clean dust from the console vents to maintain airflow. By following these steps, you can help boost the performance of your PlayStation 5 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.